This is a small demo video on how to use Lifto app. Once you open the app, you will come to the home screen. Here, you can choose to give lift or take a lift. If you are a lift giver, click on Give Lift. Your current location would be automatically picked up and you just have to choose your destination location, say Lower Parel. You can choose a route as per your convenience and we would search for lift takers on your chosen route. You need to input the time you would leave from current location. You can also choose the type of vehicle you are going by, like your own car, AC cab, Kali Pili or auto. Say you choose your own car. And that's all. Our system would search for a lift taker on your route and as soon as someone requests for a lift, you would see the profile of lift taker here. If you are looking to take a lift, just click on Take Lift. Your current location would be automatically picked up, which you can also change. You just have to input end location, say Lower Parel. Once you choose a location, it would be saved in the history and next time you can choose a location with just a click. Once you click on Continue, you would see various vehicle options on the bottom, with waiting time for each of those vehicles. Here, you can see that a lift in own car is available. You click on that vehicle option and you see the profile of person offering the lift, his name, his photograph, company name, designation and location. Along with that, you also see your pickup point on map. Green man, the distance and route of pickup point from your current location and pickup time, bubble, drop location, red man, and your end location, flag. If you are not okay with the profile of person or the pickup time or pickup location, you can click on Who's Next to see profile of next available lift giver for same vehicle type. If you are okay with the pickup and drop points and the profile of the person offering lift, you can request for the lift by clicking on Request Lift and wait till lift giver accepts the request. This request would be received by lift giver and the lift giver can see your similar detailed profile, pickup and drop points on his route on the map and the pickup time. As a lift giver, if you like the profile of lift taker, you can accept the request. Once you accept the request, the start button would appear which you need to click when you meet your lift taker at pickup point. You can also call your lift taker by clicking on Call button here. The lift taker screen would also show that his request has been accepted and he has to meet lift giver at pickup point at pickup time. As a lift giver, when you meet your lift taker, click on Start Ride to start your shared trip. We recommend you to keep the GPS on so that we can calculate the exact distance traveled by you, even if you deviate from pre-selected route. Once you reach drop location, click on End Ride to end your shared trip. Both of you would get trip summary with trip fare. The lift giver's Paytm account would be immediately credited with the money. The lift taker would be directed to Paytm page to make the payment. Both of you can also rate each other. Write to us at support@lifto.in. Thank you.